This is the case where three teeth were involved, proximal portion of all the teeth. Whenever the food gets stuck in this region or this region, then only two teeth are involved. Luckily, all of them were were shallow and shallow but wide, wide, shallow but wide, shallow but wide. So whenever there is a cavity which is shallow but wide, wide trapezoid, like this wide trapezoid, it is preferred not to do filling, composite, or amalgam because they tend to break from here. They generally break from here. Now, or otherwise, whenever you are doing a filling prep, if you because occlusally you have to make a class one and filling prep, then we remove just caries and uh, in filling prep you generally cut the base a little more. But for inlay prep, if it is wide, there is no need of cutting. A thin shell can remain. Like in this case, a thin shell can remain like this much. Wide it is. So if you were preparing for a composite restoration, you would have cut this in a dental also. It becomes more sensitive and more aggressive. So in this, whatever dental caries is removed, it is wide and we replace with inlay. Inlays will be like this. Can you see this inlay? Can you see this inlay? This is inlay. Now these inlays will be placed. They are wide. In this, there's no depth cutting inside. Did you see that? So it is more. In any case, you are cutting the removing the carious portion, but you are not cutting the axial wall of of the dentin in the proximally. So it is less aggressive. Can you see this? I can show you here. I can show you here from here angle, all angle, and and if you see this, then from buccally, it is all I can show you here. These are inlay, two inlays, and there is no need of cutting the whole complete enamel of the of teeth. Inlays last 3 to 4 times. Then a cap involved instead of cutting the whole tooth, you don't have to cut the whole tooth from the outside. Otherwise, you have cut the whole tooth. Nothing is left. So you're not cutting the tooth, you're just using inlays. Ajo, रखें नहीं नहीं है किसी भेजना है सैंपल नहीं तो ऊपर रखें बहुत सारे फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे रखें